Okay, g'day guys, Aussie Share Trader back, and as I said in my last video, I am going to announce, or I'm going to have a competition to see if we can find Australia's greatest stock picker. Okay, now I just want it to be fun, but we still need to have a few rules just so there's no confusion. We can laud the winners and we can take the pee out of the losers. All in good fun though. So anyway, I'm going to just give a few rules and then we'll start the competition. Okay, so these are the rules. It is open to Australian residents 18 years and older. Now I know I have a few people on this channel who aren't in Australia. Just forgive me this time. Next time I run the competition, I'll have a different prize and I'll make it open to anyone in the world. I guess it doesn't really matter. It's just that I bought $500 worth of Bunnings vouchers and I need to post them out. So this competition will just be for people in Australia and over the age of 18, because I think maybe that's a legal requirement, I don't know. Entries must be in before open of trade, Monday the 9th of April. So that's 10 o'clock in Sydney, 8 o'clock in Perth, and you work it out for yourself. But as soon as that market opens on the 9th of April, I will be closing. So if you haven't got your picks in, it's too late. Okay, so the close prices on Friday the 6th of April 2018 will be used as the opening prices. So yeah, hopefully that's self-explanatory enough. Whatever the close prices were on that Friday the 6th, that's where we'll start the competition. All ASX listed stocks are eligible. Now, I wasn't sure about this one. I was going to limit it to the top 500, like the All Ords. But in the end, I thought, what the hell, because people like the little lithium plays or the marijuana, and not a lot of those are in the All Ords. So it's just open for all companies. It's going to be interesting. If lithium has a good run over the next 3 months, then I assume people who go in that direction will do particularly well, because those sort of companies can have massive gains rather than someone who's dealing in the just in the top 500 companies. So anyway, it's open for all companies, so just whatever you want, they're all there. I'll see how it goes this time. If it's too hard for people who are a little more conservative, I might change the rules next time. But for now, whatever you want, as long as it's ASX listed, you can pick it. This next one, I just thought there could be a bit of confusion if they're not trading. So this rule is stocks must be trading at close of trade Friday 6th of April. So they can't be in a trading halt or suspended. Just so there's no confusion, because I thought maybe a stock might be in the trading halt, but it's announced that it's some big news and it's going to bounce. So I thought it'd be a bit unfair. So just make sure they are trading at close of trade on Friday the 6th. Okay, so you've got to submit 3 stocks just in the comments sections below, and only in the comment section below. Don't post them on any other vid or on my Facebook page or anywhere else. I just want to keep them all here so I can see them all and you can see them all as well. You can see what everyone else has picked. So just below, from now on until the open of trade on Monday the 9th, you can just put your comments down below. That's your 3 best stocks. And I'm going to keep it fairly simple. It's the percentage gain averaged across your 3 stocks. So the highest percentage gain will win. If that's confusing at all, let me know, but I think that's pretty simple enough. So if one of your stocks is up 10% and one's up 30 and one's up 50, then your average gain across the 3 will be 30%. And of course, if one's down, it'll bring it down. But I think it's straightforward enough. I'll be keeping an Excel spreadsheet of all the companies, and I'll be updating on this channel quite regularly. So yeah, I want to keep it simple, basically. So you put your 3 stocks in, I'll take care of the rest. And just one other thing, dividends won't be added back. So if you do have a company that goes ex-dividend, too bad, so sad, I won't be adding them back, because that just creates more work for me. Realistically, I think most companies now have already paid out their dividend, have already gone ex-divvy from their half-yearly report. There's still a few to go, I know, but just understand that I won't be adding them back in, so take them into account when you're making your picks. Okay, now the prizes. I do have $500 worth of Bunnings vouchers to give away. So I'm going to give away $100 for whoever's on top of the ladder on the 30th of April. So the close of trade 30th of April, whoever's on top will get a $100 voucher. I'm going to do the same on May 31st, a month later. I'm going to give a $100 voucher to whoever's on top of the ladder. And then for the overall champion on the 29th of June, which is the 1 year anniversary of this channel, it's the day I started, I will be giving a $300 voucher, and I'm also getting a trophy made. I haven't done it yet, but I will be getting a trophy made, and I'll send that anywhere in Australia. So you will be regarded as Australia's greatest stock picker. I don't know if that's official, but I'm going to call you that anyway. As I say here, the main aim is to have fun and take the P155. You know, that's what it's all about. That's what life's all about most of the time. And if we do find a genius stock picker amongst us, even better. I thought, now this, I haven't written this down, but I thought what I might do, if the person who wins it is up for it, I will do an interview with them, just over Skype or some form, and you know, just to pick their brains of how they pick their three. Are they a genius? Are they lucky? We'll find out. But I thought that what might be nice, whoever wins doesn't have to, but if they want to, I'll happily do an interview and post it on this channel after June 29th. The next rule, very important, the Aussie share trader will be judge, jury and executioner. I will be completely fair. As I said above, I want things to be fun, but if there's any sort of drama, I'll just make a ruling on it and that'll be the end of that. And of course, subscribe to the channel, that will be great. So that is it, guys. That's basically the rules. I want to keep it simple. Just put your 3 stocks, do some research over this weekend, or you can do it now if you want, but put your 3 stocks in the comments below. From there, I'll put them into my spreadsheet and I'll keep track of everything over the next few months, and we'll see how we go over time. This is the first one I've done, so if some things aren't working properly, we'll fix them next time. You know, I might try and do this twice a year. We'll see how this one goes first, of course. But yeah, remember, it's the first one. We're going to have a bit of fun. We're going to take the piss. Just play in the right spirit, and I think it will be fun. Okay, guys, so that is it. Put your tips in there when you're ready. Make sure to remember for the open of trade Monday the 9th, and I'll keep you updated as we go along. Awesome. Have a good weekend, guys.